So if your StockX app is not working in 2026, yeah, like it won't open, keeps crashing, or just gets stuck loading, don't worry, this is usually easy to fix. First, fully close the app and reopen it. This fixes most small glitches instantly. Next, restart your phone or device. This clears temporary system errors that can affect the app. Now, make sure your internet is stable. Weak Wi-Fi or mobile data can stop the app from loading. Next, go to the App Store or Play Store and check if StockX needs an update. Now, clear the app cache if you're on Android or reinstall the app if you're on iPhone. Next, make sure your device has enough storage. Low storage can cause apps to crash. Now, turn off any VPN or proxy. StockX may not work properly with changed locations. If it still doesn't work, StockX servers might be down temporarily, so wait and try again later. Finally, if nothing works, contact StockX support and report the issue with your device details. And that's it. That's how you fix the StockX app not working step by step in 2026